Pet clinic run the pet hospital. This is so interesting and nice game. So kindly I request you be carefully completely watching my video, and I will be helping to you, and you will be completed to be 60 levels so much easily. Just only I explain you how to be complete this game. So I hope you will be completely watching my video, and I request you don't skip my video, and I will be completely helping to you how to complete to be this game major depths. So I hope you will enjoy my game and don't to be skip now. So let's start this video, and thank you for you always supporting me, because I will be completely guidance helping to you how to complete animators game levels everything I will tell you. So please request you be end of watching this video. So let's start this video. On the High Cat Clinic, I will be download this game, and I will be explain you how to be complete to be this easily these levels. I will show you something, and I hope you will be also to be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And just I will be closing this voice, and I will be click on here. Okay, first come here, and I check and come here be here. Sorry, this. Okay, so I go to be here, and okay, I waiting now. Okay, I go here, and then I will be sum of purchasing debts. Okay, new coming. Okay, come here. Okay, I go to be here, my level up now, claim on this video. Okay, I take to be here, just waiting now, and go back here. Okay, dogs to be okay now. And like with this sick now, first of all I becoming okay to be using of this, check of this injection. Okay, I go here to be next dog, I will be check now. Okay, I go to be here, you checking on this my video, everything easily no not to be have problem. Okay, dog to be carefully. Okay, okay, many of people coming here. Okay, and then I go here be also. Okay, this dog also to be sick now, many of customer available now here. I go to be here also. Okay, and then take this also be dog. Okay, I purchasing my coins. Okay, to be here also be coming. Checking on here also. Okay, my 3 levels to be complete now. Okay, max. Okay, to be here also, go to again here. Okay, boom back. Okay, one of. Okay, take the injection be here. So this type this game everything easily know to be have problem, and maybe sometime people not to be, sometime not to be understand what I will do. Okay, I will be purchasing many of 5 people. Okay, I will be hire people now. Just only I take the sorry here. Just to be I here. You checking now my levels complete now. Okay. Levels up now. Sorry. Go move back. Okay, you check now level 4 complete now. So everything so much easily now, not to be have problem. I take to my balance and level 5 up now. So this type this game, and I hope you will enjoy my video, and thank you always for following me, like my videos, because level 6 also to be up now. So this type this game now, and I hope you will be always to be enjoy my video. Also to be I am higher peoples. Okay, complete now. So this time this game, and thank you for you supporting me and like my videos. Love you guys, thank you so much. Level 8 also to be upping now. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.